Okay, so got the Bug all sanded down with 1500, which is basically like the first step of color correction. The next step will be 2000 grit, and then start doing the polish on it. Very tedious process, but very important. Also, we'll be doing the parts. I did a trial run of the fender, and this is just wet sanded to 1500, then 2000, and first step of polish. You can see it came out great, so we're going to do the rest of it. Okay, so we've gotten the hood all finished up and the roof, and I wanted to show you the outcome after 3 steps, big steps of polish, more polish, and more polish. We've got these kind of results. You can see the reflection. I think it turned out phenomenal considering the paint wasn't all that well to begin with. This is a single stage paint that someone really screwed up polishing before. So the next I'm going to do is the sides, to try to get the same outcome there on the sides, then do the fenders and the other side. Should be able to achieve the same result. And then it goes on a lift and we start doing a different assembly and suspension. I think this turned out really good. I'm really stoked. Okay, we've got her all polished up. Hi, Lisa.
Say hi to Dexter too.
Oh, Dexter's in there too. What's up, boy? Say hello to everybody.
Hello.
Yeah, this thing turned out sweet. Way better than that burned up paint that was on there. That actually shines. Really pleased how this came out. So next step, we're gonna get it on the lift. Hey, you see my reflection, and get it on the lift and start doing all the prep work underneath, pour 15, everything we normally do to any other classic we have in the shop. Do the fender well areas for protection and everything, and just take a good look underneath on the lift, and then we can get the fenders back on it with the trim and everything, and interior's been ordered. It's on the way, so we'll get that installed as well. All right, everybody, till next video, ciao.